It is currently about, it's 11:38 in the morning. I feel like shit. Yesterday was so fun. I know I didn't really like vlog much. I got a few clips, but we really just stayed at one club. We went to La Vaquita. That club is like everywhere. We went to Cancun, it's there. From what I've heard, it's at Vallarta too. But it was really fun. We were there literally all night. We didn't leave until like 2 in the morning. And then we went to go get some tacos, and then we came home. Everyone just knocked out. It's a new day. I gotta do it all over again today. We are going to Taboo, which is like a beach club, but it's like a pool party club kind of thing. Also a brunch place, so we're gonna eat there. We're gonna get picked up at 12:30, so I really have to hurry up, but I'm okay because I'm not gonna do really anything to my hair. I'm just gonna do like some braids, like leave it down with some braids, and then my makeup, well, it's pretty easy. We'll be there for a bit, and then we have Y2K night tonight. I'm so excited for that. And yeah, that's really all the updates that I have to give to you guys. I feel like shit. I actually woke up with my sister at like 8 in the morning. We were just in bed, like talking, chilling for a little bit. We had a muffin, some yogurt. And then I went back to bed, and then the rest of the girls woke up and they were like making chavelas, and I'm like not feeling okay at all. Like I don't feel good at all. But I'm gonna try to get through it because I don't have an option. I'm gonna start getting ready now. We have made it to Taboo, except we've been standing out here for like 5 minutes because we brought this big bottle, show the bottle, and we're trying to finish it before we go in. But it looks so pretty so far. Let me show you guys. Escuché. Hey guys, I think it's like 5 o'clock now. Look at what I bought at the beach because the guy would not stop freaking bugging me. And I was like, sir, no. No, money, no. Okay. I'm gonna take it off. It's a little silly. Hi guys, so little update. It is a lot later. I think the last clips you probably saw were of us at the Taboo pool party. And it's currently 8 o'clock at night now. I'm fresh out the shower. So basically, let me tell you guys, we came home. We left because, I mean, it was just like about time ready to go because we had been there for a long time, but some of the girls didn't really want to leave. But my sister got a little fucked up. By the way, I don't know what was so tempting and what made a mosquito think like, oh my god, I want to bite her forehead, but that happened. So I'm hoping the redness and the swelling goes down before tonight. But yeah, my sister was a little fucked up, so we had to come home. I showered her, I put her to bed. I went to the pool for a little bit with the girls. Some of them were taking naps. I think like 3 of them, including my sister, were taking a nap. And we ordered some pizza because we really have not been eating like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, except for yesterday, like when we got here. But that was just because, I mean, we didn't really have breakfast because we were traveling. And then lunch, I don't think we did. We just had dinner. So yeah, we ordered some pizza for now. And then today is Y2K night. I'm so excited for you guys to see. And we're going to Squid Row. That's also a club that's like everywhere, just like La Vaquita from yesterday. We went to the club yesterday at like 10 and it was pretty early. So today we're gonna try to leave at 11. And I'm gonna go out that way, so you guys are gonna hear really loud music. But the girls, I just heard the pizza's here, so I want to show you guys because I'm so excited to eat. But yeah, my sister was in there sleeping. I don't want to wake her up. Pizza and wings, so excited.
That way. And then I was like, what? And then I started laughing and she's like,
Alright, so dinner is done. We got a cute little fireworks show. I don't know where they were coming from. I think it was like a club on the beach. I'm gonna go wake my sister up so that she can start getting ready because it is 8:50 and we want to head out at 11 like I told you guys.
Y2K.
Good morning. It is Sunday. It's like 11:20 and I am dead. We are all dead, like dead. I didn't go to sleep until 4. I didn't wake up until like 10 maybe. I didn't even have time to get ready. Well, actually, okay, I had a little bit of time, but I didn't feel like getting ready. So I didn't do my makeup, I just did my lashes. But we came to a really pretty we came to a really pretty restaurant called Bagatelle, and I'm super excited. I saw the menu, they have really bomb food, and then it's like a lot of entertainment, and then look at the view. What more could you possibly want? It's so freaking cute here. And yeah, so today's plans, pretty simple, but it's gonna be so much fun. So we're gonna have brunch here for a few hours, go back home for maybe an hour or two, and then we have our yacht day. It's actually not a yacht, we switched it. We did have a yacht, but then we figured that's too small for us, so we got like a boat instead. So pretty.
Are you?
I was like,
You are like me.
Feeling so gifted, sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, sugar, how you get so fly? I'm not gonna eat all this. It is yacht time. We're here. We stopped to get some towels because we didn't really think to bring any. But I feel so groggy and out of it. I hate this. I just woke up from a nap. So I'm like groggy and grumpy and I feel bad. But any minute now, I'll be good. Look at how pretty! Oh, so cute! Woo, bee! I'm literally crying right now and these bitches are judging me. But they're just happy tears. Because I'm so thankful to be here. But you guys don't know everything that I've gone through the last few months, and I'm just so thankful to get to be here.
Let you get a taste. Do you love the taste? Yeah, that's cool, but he ain't like me.
Get your ass checked like a fucking Nike.